You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Bonjour, we are looking at how to say very good in French. How do you pronounce this phrase? Très means very, très bon means good. Très bon, very good, is what it means if you're having a dinner and you want to please or thank your host. Très bon, you can say, or c'est très bon, it's very good. C'est très bon or très bon is very good in French. Can you say it? Very good, thank you. Like to hear it. More videos for you here to learn more pronunciations and more French. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.